Once upon a time, deep in the heart of a sprawling forest, there was a crystal clear river that meandered through the trees. This river was home to a fish named Finlay, who was known for his bright skills and his curiosity about the world beyond the water. One day Finlay's curiosity led him to an extraordinary encounter with a kind-hearted man named Henry, who lived alone in a cozy cabin near the riverbank. Henry smiled and spoke softly, "Hello there, little fish. You seem quite curious today." To his amazement, Finlay swam closer and responded, "Hello, kind man. I have always wondered what life is like on land. Can you tell me about it?" Henry, though surprised, was delighted to share his stories with Finlay. He talked about the towering trees, the singing birds, and the colorful flowers that adorned the forest. Finlay listened intently, his imagination painting vivid pictures of the wonders Henry described. The following weeks, Henry and Finlay met regularly by the river. They shared stories and learned from each other. Henry would bring small treats for Finlay, like crumbs of bread and berries, and Finlay would show Henry the secret beauty of the underwater world, guiding him to spots where the sunlight danced on the riverbed and the fish played in harmony. One day, a severe drought struck the forest, causing the river to shrink and the water to become warm and murky. Finlay struggled to breathe and felt weak. Seeing his friend in distress, Henry knew he had to do something. He crafted a small portable pond using a wooden barrel, filled it with fresh water, and carefully placed Finlay inside. Carrying the barrel, Henry set off on a journey to find a new, safer home for Finlay. They traveled through dense forests and climbed steep hills until they reached a hidden, pristine lake nestled in the mountains. The water was cool and clear, perfect for Finlay. Henry gently released Finlay into the lake. As Finlay swam in his new home, he felt invigorated and grateful. "Thank you, Henry," Finlay said. "You have given me a new life." Henry smiled warmly. "It's the least I could do for a friend." "Take care, Finlay. I'll visit you often," always eager to share new stories and adventures. Their friendship became a testament to the power of kindness and the unbreakable bonds that can form between the most unlikely of companions. The forest, with its river and lake, thrived once more, filled with the songs of birds and the whispers of the trees, all bearing witness to the enduring friendship between a curious fish and a kind-hearted man.